Hello everyone, it is September 12th, 2013 at 7:10 p.m. here in Brooklyn, New York. What you're looking at right now is a radar shot of some showers and thunderstorms. Potentially strong storms is up to the north, and we have this one storm cluster over here that is sitting over Staten Island, about to make its way into the Brooklyn, New York City metro area. And I'm going to go out and see what this storm cell is going to do. Right now I'm just giving it some more time. We are getting a couple of light showers from it right now, and you can hear that I don't know if you can hear that, but there is actually some thunder outside. So I'm about to go out and see what this storm cell is going to do. Next should be me out filming the storm, and thank you for watching. Right, everyone, it's Divinity out here in the storm. We're getting some winds out here right now. Some heavy rain coming down. Alright people, this is it. Here it comes. It definitely will be hard to see, but we're getting some winds over here. I probably estimate them coming in at 20 to 30 miles an hour. This is now officially a downpour. Heavy rain, strong wind. A little too strong for comfort. That was well over 60 miles an hour. We just had a 60 mile per hour gust over here. It almost sent my umbrella flying. This storm is really severe now. This thing is not playing around. My umbrella literally almost went flying. That was crazy. Oh man, here come another one. That was another 50 plus mile an hour gust. This thing is trying to steal my umbrella. These winds are crazy. I'm gonna try to move over. We're gonna keep walking for a second. This wind is still coming in. Hello everyone, Divinity here. I came back to where I was at before. The storm is still not done. The rain is still coming down pretty constant at a heavy rate. You still got the light and flashing overhead. You just don't have the strong winds coming in right now. It's really hard to see in the nighttime, but I'm gonna try my best with this camera and the little bit of light that I do have. It's a nice cool breeze out here too. I think that's about it for this storm. I haven't seen a light in flash yet. I think the storm might be just about done with us. Alright, there go one. Alright everyone, I think this just about wraps it up. Due to the constant rain that's still falling, I must say that we have to be at least under an urban flood advisory. Rain should let up at some point once this cold front pushes on through. My rating for this storm was indeed severe, and a gusty thunderstorm at that. Had a lot of strong winds, almost lost my umbrella today, but everything was also good. Everything went well, and I think that's about it, and that's how I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching everyone. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more.